YouTube. It's your boy Vic NYC82. Just wanted to make a quick intro to the following video you guys are about to see. This is going to be the second part of my subway graffiti video. I know the first one a lot of people like. I got a lot of feedback off that video, and I did promise a second one to that. It just takes a little bit of time to compile enough to make a video of a decent length. So going to present that to you guys right now. I just want to say before I play the video or put the video, if you like my channel, you like my content, please hit that like button, subscribe, follow my Facebook page. That way you guys, every time new videos come up. And with that said, let's get into this graffiti.
Let me show you something.
So guys and girls, that's going to conclude Subway Graffiti Part 2. I hope this one gets as much feedback as the first one did. That one seemed to be a real hit. And if I get enough feedback, positive, well, you know, it doesn't have to be positive. Feedback is feedback. You know, all feedback is constructive as far as I'm concerned. But yeah, if I get enough feedback off this one, then I promise to have a third one. This is a series that I actually enjoy doing, and I hope to keep it going. I just want to add at the end of the video, I did put a kind of like a memorial for fallen train operator Garrett Gobble. For those of you who don't know the story, train operator Gobble lost his life. Someone set fire to the second car of his train, and he basically lost his life getting people out of that burning car. He died a hero. So I just wanted to add that at the end of the video in his honor. So for those of you wondering what that was about, you know, that's a little bit of the backstory. So with that said, that's going to be the end of this one, guys and girls. See you on the next. Peace. Hey YouTube, it's your boy Vic NYC82. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that little warning bell so you know every time I put a new video up. Peace.